I don't blame them. I don't blame these fake courses. That's how they make money. That's how they put food to their table. That's how they discard it in life. Ikaw na hayop ka, wala kang sariling pag-iisip? Ha? Wala kang sariling pag-iisip? Hindi ka marunong mag-research? Hindi ka pwede mag-ask ng questions? Ano bang nasa isip niyo? Ba't kayo nabubudol sa mga ganyan? Wait, tanungin niyo mo, sagutin niyo ako, be. Ano ang naiisip niyo? Bakit kayo nabubudol sa mga ganyan? It's not their fault. That's their job. That's how they make money. Ikaw, nahayop ka. Ikaw yung mag-enroll. Ano naisip nyo? Easy way? There is no easy way. If there is an easy way, it's also your easy way out. Easy way what? Nagka-easy way kayo. Sila ang nagka-easy money. Sila ang nagka-easy money sa inyo. Let's just say, sige auntie. Sige Tracy. Intindihin mo sila kasi first pagkakamali, first kabobohan, first katangahan. Go. Kasi nga tanga-tanga, inosente, nabulag, because these fake courses are really good in selling you hope, in targeting your emotions, in clouding your mind. They're very good at that. They're very good at marketing na yung talagang nabubudol ka talaga ba? Sige, go. Sige. I'll give you a benefit of the doubt. Anong tawag dun sa mga umulit? Anong tawag sa mga umulit?